Hello artists, how are you today? Stephanie Aune coming to you from the banks of the Trinity River here near Willow Creek, California. Oz and I welcome you to the studio. We are very happy you are here with us today. We are! It's true! Today is April 11th, so this is day 11 of our background challenge. For me, it is April 2nd. So just to give you a little perspective on that, I am trying to get these done ahead of time. These are the Neocolor 2. It is a water-soluble crayon. It is a wax pastel. So these guys have a bit of a different texture to them. They're very smooth for the most part going on. The coverage can be a little bit spotty at first. And as you'll watch through these videos, be sure to see how the product is going onto the paper. Again, using just watercolor paper isn't always the best surface for a lot of these products, but it worked pretty well, I think, with the Neocolors. You did kind of have to build up things, but really, it's a very smooth product. I have to say that the colors are very vibrant and energetic and happy, and they blend really nicely. So I liked them. I liked them a lot. So I hope everybody is staying safe, and thank you for playing along if you're enjoying this. Now remember, you can always be part of the contest, and you do not have to do the daily challenge in order to be part of the contest. You just have to be sure to be writing down all the secret words that I'm putting somewhere in these videos. So, okay, my amazing artists, let me know what you think. Remember, you gotta leave a comment. Mwah. Love you.